The castle is just ahead, Harry.
I can feel it.
Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we'll be building Hogsmeade Village from Harry Potter, one of my favorite themes, together. This set was released in 2025. It consists of 3,128 pieces. It really warms the heart when we have it on display. I love Harry Potter themes on a whole different level. There are exactly 12 minifigures in this set. There is also a horse carriage and a horse included. I will be showcasing these minifigures to you on the turntable as they come out of each bag. I want you to get a really good look at the front and back of the minifigures. I bought this set in the Netherlands when it first came out in 2025, guys. When I bought this set, they gave me a really nice GWP. The GWP system hasn't fully taken hold in our country yet. I could even say it hasn't taken hold at all. It's only given with certain sets sold on LEGO's official website. It's not available in LEGO stores. But you purchased that set while you were traveling abroad. They can certainly provide you with a GVP for it. To be perfectly honest with you, these GVPs are currently being sold at absolutely exorbitant prices over in Turkey. Now, I really want to take a moment to show you the special gift that comes included with this set. It's a display stand, guys. It is honestly really cool. This is a genuine high-end collector's item. You'd think twice before displaying it. Keep it tucked away in its original box. I'll show it on a turntable at the end of this video. Alright, let's take a moment to get to know our box, see what's inside, and start building our set together. Guys, before we begin, please don't forget to hit the like button on my video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on those notifications. Let's start building our set. On the front of the box there is a lovely inviting picture of the finished set. It states that it consists of 3,228 pieces, has the code 76457 and is for ages 18 and up. When I turn it over to the back, the box is huge and heavy. It's hard to turn. It consists of 7 buildings. As you can see here, they've shown the details in 3 modular sections. They've illustrated the dimensions, interior details, and a scene from the movie here. This is how they've displayed our minifigures. I'll walk you through every one of these features in detail anyway. So let's take a closer look at what's inside the box. Notice the security seals right here on the back of the packaging. As you can see, I'm just going to Inside the box, you will find 30 separate bags, each one numbered from 1 to 30. We also have 1 horse figure and a total of 3 plates. Let's just set it down here. There are simply too many bags. And here we have our instruction booklet. I'm going to open it up right away. There were 3 separate booklets that came out of the box, and they all feature detailed pictures of the various buildings we are currently constructing. When we open up our very first booklet, we see our app, the Hogsmeade set from 2021, the calendar, and finally our current set. These are our buildings. I am going to share all of their names with you in great detail. Once we have finished translating it, there are still some more beautiful and heartwarming shots from the film. And it all begins with the actual production of our complete set. Our first booklet contains 187 pages. Our second booklet is 203 pages long. And as for our final booklet, well, let me just check that for you. 208 pages in total. Alright everyone, we have seen the box and all of its contents. Now, let us start building our set.
Now let's take a look at the details of these shops. On the left are Honeydukes' colorful candy shelves, candy boxes and potion bottles. In the center, the Dervish and Bangish shop features wizarding equipment, books and details of the workspace. On the right is the owl post, and the small owl detail is a nice nod to the postal system wizards used to communicate via owls. Among the minifigures are Molly Weasley cleaning downstairs in the Honeydukes section and Arthur Weasley standing upstairs. This is the Three Broomsticks, one of the most famous spots in Hogsmeade. This inn, a frequent hangout for Harry, Ron and Hermione, is particularly famous for its hot butterbeer. Wizards come here to eat, relax and stay. As for the Lego set, the tall chimneys, snowy roof and the broomstick sign at the entrance perfectly capture the atmosphere of the movie. Now, let's take a look at the details on the back of the set. Inside, you'll find the Three Broomsticks dining area, fireplace details and the small rooms on the upper floor. The set of minifigures includes Hermione Granger, who is carrying a glass of butterbeer, various wizards sitting comfortably at the tables, and Draco Malfoy standing watch upstairs. Even though it is built on a small scale, LEGO has truly managed to capture the warm and bustling atmosphere of the inn, and then Ginny Weasley glides right in. To your left is the outpost, Hogsmeade's primary post office. Wizards and witches send their letters from here using their trusty owls. Next door stands Scrivenshaft's Quill shop, a charming store where locals purchase their quills and ink. And on the right is Zonko's, one of the most famous joke shops in the entire wizarding world. Inside, they sell magical joke items and toys. The small notice you see in front is the announcement of Sirius Black's escape from Azkaban. In the series, this event causes a widespread panic throughout the wizarding world. Now, let's take a look inside the shops together. Looking at the interior of the set, there is a small bedroom on the upper floor, while we see Dumbledore at the bottom. The paper, held by the Hermione figure in the middle, features a nice reference to the Order of the Phoenix List. Ron and Harry are here too. The interior details include an old-fashioned typewriter, a quill, and a workspace. Even in this small space, Yego has managed to capture the old mystical atmosphere of the wizarding shops from the Harry Potter universe. Here we see the inside of Zonko's joke shop. Inside there are magical joke products, toys and surprise items. The wind-up toy details and colorful shelves in particular beautifully capture the fun atmosphere of a shop in the Harry Potter universe. Our building set is now completely finished. I have just finished showing you all the intricate details of these shops. The entire building process is incredibly easy and truly enjoyable. There is almost no repetition to be found anywhere. I generally do not like using stickers, but I actually had a lot of fun applying these to the pieces. The final set consists of 3 distinct modular parts. 76 centimeters long, 33 centimeters high. Now I'm going to assemble this set for you. Right here, those who build modular sets will already be familiar with this. It looks just like this. As you can see, our impressive 76 centimeter set looks exactly like this. You can also separate the pieces for a unique display. Now friends, take a good look, close your eyes and imagine it's Christmas morning. You're standing in a warm, cozy house with a beautiful, decorated tree. You are sitting in your rocking chair. There is a fireplace in front of you with this set on the mantle. It is very warm inside and there is a very cozy atmosphere. When you look out the window, big flakes of snow are falling and your family is out there playing with snowballs. It's like a postcard. This set really gave me that exact same feeling, because when you take a closer look at it, there's a real warmth to it. And by the way, if my hair and beard grow just a little bit longer, I'll turn into Dumbledore. Also, this particular set is absolutely a must-have addition for your personal collection. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone for watching. I truly enjoyed the process of building this set and I hope you enjoyed watching it too. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on those notifications. Guys, please take very good care of yourselves. Goodbye for now.